This video will demonstrate how to use the built-in function in Excel to compute binomial probabilities in a rapid manner. We begin by answering this question. It states the chance that a person catches the flu in LA County this upcoming flu season is 13%. If 10 residents of LA County are selected, then compute the following probabilities. Exactly 6 catch the flu. At most 3 catch the flu. At least 4 catch the flu. The binomial probability formula is listed here for reference. Step 1 is to write down the sample size. In this problem, we are selecting 10 residents. Thus, the sample size is 10. The probability of success is, in this case, it's the probability of catching the flu. That's 13%. We will write that down as 0.13. So type that into the cell. Next, we want to list all the outcomes for X. So if we recall, we have 10 residents. That indicates that from 0 to 10 residents can catch the flu. So to type in those values, we start by typing 0 in the first cell, 1 in the second cell. We select those two cells and we will use the little black box in the lower right corner of the selected cells. Once we drag down those values and all the outcomes are automatically generated from 0 to 10. Or if you want, you could type them out by hand. Our next step is to compute the probabilities for each outcome using our binomial distribution built-in function. So we click on the uppermost cell, type in an equal sign, and the formula is written as binom.distribution, D-I-S-T. So let's see. Binom.dist. That stands for binomial distribution. We next type in our parentheses. Inside of the parentheses, we will type in the number. In this case, it's the outcomes. So the outcome to the left of our formula is 0, so we select that cell. Type in a comma. The number of trials is 10. In this case, we're not going to click on another cell. We will just type in the number 10, comma, then type in a comma. Now we have to type in the probability of success. We will just type it in directly as 0.13. Type in a comma, and we have to type in one last value. It's either true or false. It's asking if we want a cumulative distribution function. We do not. We want a probability mass function. So type in false. Close the parentheses. We have the probability for 0. It is 0.248. Now, once again, we select the cell, and in the lower right-hand corner, we have a little dark box. As soon as the cursor turns into a cross, we can either double click on that black box or drag it down. Let's double click. What occurs is that all the binomial probabilities are computed for all the values between 0 and 10. Take note that the probabilities max out at x equal to 1, and then begin to diminish until the values are practically zero. They're not really zero, it's just we're rounding to 3 decimal places. So the probability is negligible because it's been rounded to 3 decimal places. Those probabilities won't have a huge impact or are very rare occurrences. Now we're ready to answer the questions. Exactly 6 catch the flu. We click on our answer cell for part A, type in an equals, and then select the probability for exactly 6. It's very low, we hit enter. 0.001 is the answer. Part B is asking at most 3 catch the flu. At most 3 tells us to compute all the probabilities for when x is 3 or less. So we will sum the array of probabilities between 0 and 3 using Excel's other built-in function for sum. We type in an equal sign, sum, and then we select the array of probabilities from 0 to 3. Close the parentheses. Let's go back, sorry. Type in equals, sum, select the values from 0 to 3, close the parentheses, hit enter. That probability is 0.969. That's an extremely high probability. So the probability that 3 or less will catch the flu is pretty high. It's almost 1. Part C is asking at least 4 catch the flu. Type in an equals. At least 4 means 4 or more. We type in sum and we select the probabilities from 4 all the way to 10. That's the array of values that we will type within our parentheses. We close the parentheses, hit enter. We have the answer. It is 0.031. So I hope this demonstration of how to use Excel's built-in binomial distribution formula helps you in your computations. Thank you very much for watching the video.